Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you really took a good look at your makeup routine and considered making some changes? If you're like me, you probably have your favorites, those tried and true products you reach for every single day, and your go-to habits that you've perfected over the years. But what worked at 30, when our skin had a certain bounce and glow, doesn't always do us favors now. In fact, some of those techniques and products might be subtly aging us without us even realizing it. Today, I'm going to help you spot a few common makeup mistakes that might be adding years to your look, making you appear older than you actually are, instead of taking them away and enhancing your natural beauty. And of course, I'll show you exactly how to fix them with simple tweaks and updated techniques so you can look as fabulous and vibrant as you feel inside. First up, heavy powder. This is a big one. I get it. We all loved a good matte face for ages. It was the go-to look for so long. But here's the thing. Powder, especially heavy powder, settles right into fine lines and wrinkles, making them appear much more pronounced, and makes even the softest, most supple skin look dry, dehydrated, and tired. It can really suck the life out of your complexion. Instead, try switching to a light, moisturizing foundation that hydrates your skin while providing coverage. Or, even better, a tinted moisturizer. These are fantastic for evening out skin tone without feeling heavy or cakey. It gives just enough coverage to perfect your complexion, but still lets your natural glow come through, creating a youthful radiance. The goal? Radiant, healthy skin that feels as good as it looks. We want that lit from within glow. Now let's talk blush. This is another area where a little tweak can make a huge difference. Remember those bright, bold circles we used to do in the 80s? The higher the better, right? Turns out, harsh blush, especially when applied in a concentrated circle, just makes cheeks look flat, unnatural, and dated. Swap that out for a soft, natural tone. Think rosy, like you've just come in from a brisk walk, or peachy for a warm, sun-kissed glow. Sweep it gently upward from the apples of your cheeks toward your temples, blending seamlessly into your skin. It gives a natural lift, subtly sculpting your cheekbones, and a lovely wash of color that brightens your entire face. Okay, eyes. This one's important. Our eyes are often the first thing people notice, so let's make sure we're enhancing them in the best possible way. Thick, dark eyeliner, especially on the lower lash line, might sound glamorous and edgy, but it actually closes off the eyes, making them look smaller and can look too harsh, drawing attention to any fine lines or wrinkles around the eyes, especially on mature skin. Try using a soft pencil in a brown or gray shade, or even a little eyeshadow applied with a damp angled brush along the upper lash line. Smudge it out gently with a cotton swab or your finger for a softer, more flattering effect that opens up the eyes beautifully and creates a subtle, smoky look. And please, skip the frosty or glittery eyeshadows, especially on the lid. I know they're fun and sparkly, but shimmery formulas can make eyelids look crepey and draw unwanted attention to texture and any imperfections. Instead, go for matte, which are incredibly versatile and flattering, or satin shades, which offer a subtle sheen without being overly shimmery. They're softer, more forgiving, and always chic, creating a sophisticated and timeless look. Above all, remember this. Makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty, celebrating your unique features, not hiding it or trying to look like someone else. Less is more. Especially as we mature, a lighter touch often yields the most beautiful results. Softer is better. Think gentle blending, diffused lines, and a focus on enhancing your natural radiance. And you're already gorgeous. Embrace your age, your experience, and your unique beauty. So go ahead and try these tips. Experiment with new products and techniques and see what works best for you. You might be surprised at how fresh, radiant, and confident you look, at any age. It's all about finding what makes you feel your best. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Until next time, stay glowing, inside and out. Remember, beauty is ageless and it shines brightest when it comes from within.